surprised it doesn't ignite while it's going down in there.
Yeah. I guess it has to hit that powder. Yeah, that smells bad. Yeah, that safety fuse has to get all the way to the bottom. Nope.
Look at the can.
Oh, shit.
The whole can catches on fire. The best part is the fact that the can catches on fire itself.
Molten aluminum.
You can see all the poppers and stuff that was in the bottom of it.
Damn.
That is cool though. Like you see how like the paint turns yellow and then falls over.
Yeah.
Yeah, one more can. That's it.
Still glowing red.
Oh crap. I actually turned the camera away by accident.
Oh my god, are you kidding me?
I had it zoomed in. Just come grab the hose real quick so I can get up to it. Damn. Oh shit. It's sorry. It scared me. I didn't know what to do. I don't know how. I know it caught the first part of it.
Dude.
Fuck. Dude, the aluminum's gone for the most part.
That was freaking awesome and you didn't...
I'm sorry. I got the big part of the explosion. I didn't think the can... When the can fell over, that's when I panicked. Shit.
You know what that means, right?
What?
We have to do it again.
Yeah, I know it means we have to do it again.